Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you to how to exactly use links in WordPress. So first what you need to do is to you need a little bit of text to put your link on, and this would be enough, I guess. Let's copy it and bring it in WordPress. In posts, go to add new. Now we have a little bit of text here. As you can see, it's our post, and we are going to add a little bit of text to it, and make an add link to the text. So what are we gonna do is you need to select a part of your text, and for example desktop. You can use this option, this button, and it'll open up this bar, or either way you can press Ctrl K. Sorry, that was you can press Ctrl J and it'll open up the same page. Now the easiest way to put a link is, you have your link here, you just press Ctrl V, and or you either can type it. Google, for example, google.com. Either way it works. Now if you choose the link, you can use this remove link for the link to be gone, and when you put the link you can choose this edit to be able to change the link. Now on the link option there is an important part called link text. Link text is very important because it helps SEO of your website. So for example, lorem, you can write exactly what this link and this article is about. Lorem ipsum link test, and you can check this button to when you press on the link it'll open a new tab of the link. Don't need it right now. Or either way you can link to existing content. For example, I have another test text here. If I choose it, as you can see, the URL changed to the URL of the content that I have already on my website. And if you update it, you can publish it, and if you just open it, as you can see, it changed the text. This is the content from the website that I have. That's all to the links. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.